Let's learn how to compute the number 755 by 5 using the long division method. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract from this number 7, we get 2. Now this 2 is less than 5, so we will bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, we get 0. Now again this 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 5 here. But see that this is the number 5. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 755 divided by 5 is equal to 151. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.